Everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be going through basically a haul of all of the nail stuff that I've got within the past week. Here it is. I think some of these things you may already know because you may have saw them on Instagram. But I wanted to go through with these with you in detail and show you what I got. And I didn't get all this at one time or anything. They kind of just trickled in over, I got them within the past couple of weeks. So I said last week earlier, but it's been 2 weeks or so. But yeah, if you want to see the haul and what I got, then keep on watching. So the first thing I want to go through with you is this little box right here, and this is from the I Love Nail Polish brand. I showed this on Instagram because I thought the packaging was so flippin' adorable. So it came in this little box, and then it has little tissue paper on it, and then I'm just going to keep the polishes in here. Look how nicely packaged these are. Holy crap. This is so nicely packaged. It's amazing. I'm so impressed. And I'm just going to keep the polishes in here just like this because why take them out when they're so nicely in their own little home? I'm not going to disturb them. But I do want to go through each shade with you because oh my god, I'm obsessed with these. They're so freaking. I'm wearing 2 of them right now. The first one right here is, let me just slow down here. Let me show you the packaging. Here's what the packaging looks like on all of them. It has this nice matte black casing, but package. And then it says I love, or has the ILMP, I Love Nail Polish logo. And then this first one right here is, oh my god, I love these kinds of shades, these green, blue, kind of aquamarine, seafoam green color. I love these. This is in the shade No Days Off. This polish is stunning. Now this is more, I think this is a hollow polish kind of thing, so you do need multiple coats of this for it to be opaque. I did on this hand, I used one of these in here as well, and I did 4 coats, but just the end product is stunning. So I got that one. And then next here is this one, and this one is in the shade Tidal Wave, and I love these purple shades. I think they're so freaking pretty, and just look at how beautiful. And I do believe this is a holo because you can see all of the pretty colors in it. I need Christine to help me, but I think I'm saying this right and saying that it is a holo. But this one is beautiful as well. I love these purple shades. Next up is one that I am wearing on this hand. And this one is in the shade Nexus. And it is this gorgeous, deep, magenta, almost red shade. And here is what it looks like. And here's what it looks like on my nails as well. So beautiful. I'm so happy with this. I think they're stunning. Now, I Love Nail Polish is not super cheap when it comes to nail polishes. I've seen worse, and I've seen obviously cheaper ones. So the KL polishes, they're $9.50 each, I believe. But then the I Love Nail Polish brand, each one of these holos are $10. The ones that I'm seeing right here on the website anyways are $10. So actually not that much more expensive. I thought that it was going to be a lot more. Let me look at one that I personally bought just to make sure. I'll type in the Nexus shade here. Yeah, $10. So actually it's not that bad. I thought it was a lot more expensive than that, but it's really not. So $10 for each nail polish is not bad at all. This one right here is the next one, and it's called Deep End. And I love, again, these purple shades. This one's a dark iridescent purple. Oh my god, I just want to eat it. And it almost looks like dark blue. I love this color. Oh, I also have it on this hand. I did only 3 coats of this one, so that's why it looks so light. I should have done 1 more coat, and I may go back and do another coat the next time I use this polish. I'll be sure to do 4 coats. But oh my gosh, just look, it's stunning. I'm drooling. It's so pretty. And then last but certainly not least on this one is the shade called Blueprint, and I love blues, you guys. Blue is one of my favorite colors besides purple, and I like reds. I like reds too, but I do love blue as well, and this one is called Blueprint. And just look at that. Doesn't that scream summer or vacation or just amazingness everywhere? This is such a stunning blue shade. I cannot wait to wear this. I may do this one next. I'm trying, okay. So I think next I'm gonna try to do some like fun nail art stuff. I'm gonna at least try because I got some things here and I wanna just try. But those are all the polishes that I got from I Love Nail Polish. Next, I'm going to show you a few that I got from the Fun Lacquer brand. And I believe these are from Singapore. They were sent to me from Singapore, but it didn't actually take that long to get here. It took like maybe a week, not even. But I got, actually I got 4 of them, but the other one that I got was like a glossy top coat. So I'm not showing it because it's over there, but these are the actual colors that I got. So the first one right here is the Fun Lacquer Fabulously Unique Nail Lacquer. And here is what this one looks like. This one's in like a black shiny packaging, and this one is the Diamond Hollow Top Coat by Fun Lacquer. And then this is what I actually have on this finger. I only have the top coat on it. I didn't put any extra nail polish underneath it, which going back I probably should have done, but I didn't. But this one is very, very pretty. It's just a top coat, so it is quite sheer. But again, I did like 4 coats of it, so it made it into a nail polish instead of a top coat. But I like it. I think it's really pretty. And then next, both of these are actually in collaboration with Christine, Simply Nailogical. I thought they were so pretty, so I was like, heck yeah. Support Christine, support the brand, and give me some awesome nail polish. Like, kill 3 birds with 1 stone. That's dope. So this first one that I got was Black Hollow Witch. Oh my goodness, this one just spoke to me. And I'm also wearing this one on this ring finger. And now both of these that I'm going to show you, this one and this one, are glitter polishes. So they're not nail polishes, it's just straight up glitter. So you will probably need to use like a makeup sponge to like dab the polish onto your nail to make it more opaque. But here is what this one looks like, and it is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited that I got this one. I cannot wait to put this one on like all over like all of my nails during like next Halloween or something. I just can't wait. I'm so jazzed. It's beautiful. I don't know if you're seeing it in all of its glory, but it's stunning. Now, Fun Lacquer polishes I do believe are a bit more expensive. I think they're like maybe $12 or $13 each. Let me check. They're $13. Okay, so that diamond top coat was $3.50, and then this other one that I got was $14, and then the Black Hollow Witch, I didn't see it on here, so I believe it was probably either $13.50 or $14. And then this one right here is the other one that was $14, and this one is called How Deep Is Your Hollow? And it's another gorgeous blue. Like, this is blue. Like, I've never seen, like, this is the bluest blue that's ever blued. Like, this, oh my gosh, would look absolutely incredible. Again, for summertime, even wintertime, it don't matter, anytime. Like, this polish is beautiful. I know I'm like having like a conniption fit over polish, but holy crap, it's beautiful. I can't wait to wear this one. I'm so excited. I'm excited to wear all of them. I just want to like take a bath in them, you know? So those are all of the actual polishes I have here. Now I did get a little crazy on the Maniology website again, and I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamping plates. So when I got these, they were running like a buy 2 get 1 free kind of thing, or like a buy 1 get 1 free. I forgot the actual sale, but they were running a sale on them, so I picked up quite a few because I thought they were so cute. So we're gonna go eat one by one. And this one right here I saw off of that Instagram account I told you about them a few videos ago. It's called Vic's Nails. They have their own collaboration plate with Maniology, so it's so cute. It's got these little woodland creatures on it, so it's got like little rabbits, foxes, bears, and I got this palette, but this stamping plate for this little kitty cat design right here, and then like all of these. I thought they were so cute. So if you've not checked this out, I'll leave their Instagram down below and the Maniology website so you can check this out. It's so freaking cute, and I think these plates are like $6 each, so they're not expensive. Next up, this one's not a collaboration, I don't think, but this one is called the Maniology M04, I can't talk. M040, let's just say that. And this one is a Christmas one. I got this one because it was so freaking adorable. And of course I saw Vic's Nails using this exact same plate, so I was like, I want it too. But it's very cute. It's got a little, I think it's called Kawaii Christmas, and it's got little Santa and a little reindeer and a mitten, It's really cute. I'm so excited to have this. I think I may use this one today. It's too cute not to use. Next up is another collaboration with somebody named Glitter Fingers. I have not seen their stuff. I probably should look them up on Instagram. Let me do it right now. Because if there's another Instagram account that does nail stuff that I don't know about it, I want to know. Here they are. Oh yeah, I'm gonna follow them. Here they are. So they also do nail stuff as well. Super cute. I'm excited. So I got their stamping plate. I got it because I thought it looked really cool. And then here is what this one looks like. It was kind of like a space, like this one's kind of like space themed right here, and then this one's a snake. And then I love these bones. And then this one right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. You can't see it, but it says stay weird in there. And this little like one-eyed hairless cat is so cool. I thought this one was really interesting. So I wanted to give this one a shot and see how I liked it. Next up is another Christmas one. I'm obsessed with the kawaii Christmas theme. Here is this one. And again, it had the little, oh, I love this one. I love this one. That one's so freaking cute. And then the little penguins. And I think these are adorable. I think these are very adorable. I love them. It's got a little llama too. Like a Christmas llama. Next up here is, okay, this one just looks different. It has different packaging on it. It's really cool. But this one is the Chic Peak BM XL 477 palette or stamping plate, and I actually got this one because of these two designs up here. Again, I saw a video by like Vic's Nails, and they did the one using these two and it looked like stained glass, and I was like, I want to do that. It seems very hard to do though, but I want to try at least. But yeah, this one looked really pretty. And then last but certainly not least, I sounded like Kathleen Lights just then, oh my god. But certainly not least, I got this one, and I got this one because this one looked like Alice in Wonderland. I think that's what it was called as well. So it's got Alice in Wonderland stuff up here, like Mad Hatter stuff. And I think it actually has a bit of like maybe Stranger Things going on. Like look at that, that looks like Dart. That little guy, the little Demogorgon, that looks like Dart to me. And then up here it has Run, and it has some like Christmas lights. I think it has like a little bit of everything. It might be like a mashup of certain things, but I think it's really cute, and I'm excited to try it out and use it. So you guys, that is the haul of everything that I have obtained within the past couple of weeks. I am obsessed with everything here. I cannot wait to use the rest of it. I'm excited, but yes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you did like it, then go ahead and click that like button for me, and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.